In the previous section, we looked at arithmetic sequences, and that was where you were adding the same number each time to get to the next term. Now we're looking at geometric sequences, and these are sequences where the same number is being multiplied. Each time to get to the next term. And this number is called the common ratio. So with arithmetic sequences it was called the common difference. Now it's called the common ratio, and it's denoted with R. So it says the first four terms of a sequence are given. Can these terms be the terms of a geometric sequence? And if so, find the common ratio. So for number 1, to get from 3 to 6, we multiply by 2. To get from 6 to 12, we multiply by 2. And to get from 12 to 24, we multiply by 2. So yes, this is a geometric sequence. And my common ratio is 2, because that's what I'm multiplying by each time. In number 2, to get from 2 to 8, I multiply by 4. To get from 8 to 32, I multiply by 4. To get from 32 to 34, that's definitely not multiplying by 4. So no, this is not a geometric sequence.